Belgium, one person contact just to look what's happening, because all answers what he was getting to ventilate more. The mold, here is nothing, and now we're looking everything. And I see all windows are completely blowing from everywhere, from all sides. Yeah, the wall is cold, but the water is here where the window is blowing, and this corner, and it's completely wet, but everything is blowing. And then we start to think how and so on. Let's look. The foam is already rotten, the big holes. Everything is completely rotten. They didn't close anything from inside, no vapor barrier, nothing. So all is blowing from everywhere. Wow. All corners, under. So, because look, there is another window, the same cold wall, dry. People ventilating, they told, yeah, that they are getting the answer to ventilate as much as possible, and they're opening all windows, they're ventilating, but it's the Belgium, it's very humid climate. You can ventilate as much as you want. Of course, the ventilation needs to be, but yeah, it's quite a lot of water. It's really a lot of water, and like that, and everything is blowing. And these things are happening because the windows are installed 4 years ago. This is the Belgium obligation to change the energy efficient windows. So they are changing the double glasses and so on. And all companies become the experts of the changing windows. Yeah, perfect, nicely. They all become the super experts. And then the situation we have, the windows are okay, warm itself, warm as much as possible, and blowing all around. And then we have the things. Horrible. Okay, cleaning, break, airtight from inside. Of course, ventilate, because this wall is really, really cold. But the facade is impossible to touch. It's Belgium. Yeah. So airtight, it will be not blow. The walls will be warmer as possible. Of course, it would be good to have here the radiator, but yeah, it's not here in this building. First, of course, fix the windows. We will do it, and then we will see. It will be more such videos, because this is really big trouble in Belgium. So I think people will start contact us, and we will see. Yeah.